Gentle waves, soft bubbles too. Let's dive into the ocean blue. Listen close, now count to 3. What am I? Who could I be? I swim so fast, I jump up high. I splash the waves up to the sky. I play with friends so happily. What am I? Come guess with me. It's a dolphin! Eee! Splash, splash! I wiggle quick with fins so small. I swim with friends, we're one and all. I zoom through reefs so happily. What am I? Can you tell me? It's a fish! Swish, swish! Hooray! What am I? Deep in the sea, waves and creatures calling me. Swim along and guess each one. Ocean fun for everyone. I have 8 arms that twist and sway. I wiggle softly as I play. I change my color magically. What am I? Come guess with me. It's an octopus. Wiggle, wiggle, wee! I click my claws for all to hear. I move sideways far and near. I hide in shells so carefully. What am I? Try guessing me. It's a crab. Click, click. Hooray! What am I? Come splash with me. Ocean friends in one big team. Big and small under the waves. Guess along, be brave, be brave. I float along so soft and light. I glow so bright, a shining sight. My arms drift round so magically. What am I? Come guess with me. It's a jellyfish. Wiggle wobbly. I sway and float so gracefully. My curly tail holds tight to seaweed. I bob around so happily. What am I? Come guess with me. It's a seahorse. Toot toot. Whee! What am I? Let's shout hooray. Ocean pals come out to play. Splash and swerve from fin to shell. Guess along, you know it well. I'm strong and fast in waters wide. I swim with power as I zoom. My fins pop up for all to see. What am I? Who could I be? It's a shark. Zoom, zoom, splash. I spread my